Welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do homework solution for plus 4 big friends formula. B row we already did in the class. A row I gave you homework. So today we will be solving the A row. Now, where I will apply this plus 4 big friends, we have already discussed where I will not have enough beats for plus 4 and I can't do small friends also. Both the things should be there. Then I will go for big. Then I will be, applying the big friends. Now, first question, plus 2 plus 4. Here, do I have enough beats for 4? No. So, small friends formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. Done. Now, another 4. Now, do I have enough beats for 4? No. Can I do small friends? No. Why? Small friends formula for 4 is plus 5 minus 1. But we can't do plus 5. It is already plus. So, big friends formula for plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. This is what I told you, where you will be stuck on 4 and you will not be able to do 4's small friends formula. That's when you will apply 4's big friends formula, right? So, my final answer is 10. Next question, plus 6 plus 4. Do I have enough beats for plus 4? No. And what is my big friends formula for plus 4? Plus 10 minus 6. Again, I can't apply small friends formula. Why? I told you in the first question. Now, my answer is 11. Next, 4 plus 2. No beats for 2. Formula of 2, 5 minus 3. This is the formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Then plus 4. No beats for 4. Can't do small friends. So, big friends plus 10 minus 6. My answer is 10. Next, 7 plus 4. Again, guys, no beats for 4. No small friends formula can be applied. So, big friends formula 4 is plus 10 minus 6. And then plus 1. So, my answer is 12. Next, 1 plus 5 plus 4. No beats for 4. No small friends formula can be applied. So, my big friends formula 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Okay. Don't get confused. Don't get demotivated that ma'am so many formulas. How we are going to learn? You will learn. It's just that you have to practice. When you will practice, you will get used to the formulas and you will learn, right? So, I hope it's clear, guys. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.